Welcome to Ziro. In this video, we're going to show you the basic functionalities of your magic glove that comes with your Ziro kit. So first of all, let's start with turning on. To turn on your glove, it's as simple as clicking a button. You click and you're going to see your red LED blink once, and then in about 1 or 2 seconds, your glove will be on and ready to go. To put your glove on active mode, there are 2 ways. You can either press the button twice, very quickly, and again to go from active to inactive the same way, so to toggle states. The other way to toggle states is you just shake it up and down. So just shake it up and down very lightly, and then you can see we are in active mode now, and if you again shake it up and down, it will go from active to inactive. To turn off your glove, you can simply press and hold the button for about 2 seconds, and you're gonna see the LED turns off and your glove is off now. If the glove is idle for about 5 minutes, it's also gonna automatically shut down to save battery.